Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. Hope all is well with y'all and y'all are keeping safe. I am still in cleanup mood. I am getting my sea of yellow down, and in my last video I show you how I was taking everything down. The shorter stems, I put the longer stems in the bin first, and my shorter stems I use rubber bands to bunch like maybe about 12 or more together and put them in the bin, because if you bunch them together in a rubber band, it's harder for the stem to get caught and you're going to lose flowers eventually. So I try to take every precaution because I look at the flowers as money. So now I am showing you what I have on my table. That's what I took off the mantle and some on the ground. Um, right here is in my breakfast room. I want to go ahead and take the curtains down. The runner on the table, that is actually curtains. And these apples right there, I have to put them up. All of the things on here, I'm going to put them up because I am going to clean before I actually start decorating for fall. So this is spring and summer decor that I am going to completely pick up and clean the areas. Up there on the balcony, I will eventually paint this balcony, but for now, I'm going to go up there and get the flowers down. And actually, that's where I first started to decorate for the spring and summer. So the flowers that I'm showing you now, I am showing that how I usually store them away, because I'm still doing the longer ones, the longer stem. I will break the bottom part of it, the stem, and fold them in half and leave my flowers flat like this so they would stay in place. And I get buckets that are long enough that I could store them in. I just took these flowers from this area right here, and I think I have a bin for this topiary ball already, boxwood ball, topiary. And these flowers here, I don't store them together. What I do is I fold them a bit and put them into Ziploc bags individually. And I think it makes it much easier that when you have to go, all of your greenery is in one bin, the picks, and you could, having clear buckets, you could see straight through them and you could get what you need to get for the next time you're going to use that color or that particular. And I try not to actually build in storage that I don't have to remove one bucket to get to the next one. So this is what this is looking like for now. And eventually we'll go up to the balcony, get the rest of the flowers, and I'll eventually take you guys downstairs where at the moment I am storing the stuff. Right now I am upstairs in the balcony looking down on the family room and the breakfast room. That's the side of the fireplace right here, and this is how everything looks. Hotmess.com, that's my kitchen here, that's my breakfast room. And I really like this balcony. It's like bird's eye view. This is my niece Amelia doing her schoolwork actually. And these are the flowers here that I want to take down. This chandelier here, can't see it too well, but I made this chandelier. That was a DIY crystal chandelier. And going to take out all the yellows. This piece here was an actual DIY. It's a vase stand, and the other piece is an old-time light fixture that I spray painted with the mercury glass spray paint, the looking glass spray paint. And this is what up here looks like. I didn't show you the floor because my niece had some stuff down there because she used up there to do her homeschooling. And that's what the console table, the decor is looking like up there. I just wanted a sea of yellow and I achieved it. So now I took them all down and gonna take them downstairs, and I'm showing you how I put everything in. That's a garland, and it's two garlands, but I have them in individual bags, and so it's easy for me to grab and I don't have to pull apart when I have to eventually use them. So everything is in a set. That's the bunches of short stem in their individual bags, and a yellow garland. I think there's one that I haven't put in yet. And that's how I store my picks. Just like-minded things in the same bag. So whenever I'm ready for them, it's just easy for me to just locate the bin, reach in, and just take out what I want. Like I said, I look at everything as money. And when it breaks apart, that's my money I'm losing. So this is how I fix all the baggies and put all the greenery in one long bucket. These right here are some broken pieces that I am going to put. I don't throw the broken pieces away. I also store them too. These flowers right here, the little fuzzy looking one, I think they're cattails. I'm going to get my plastic wrap. And this is the very huge plastic wrap. I got it from Sam's Club. And what I do is take a bunch of them and lay them out together. I actually bought them from Walmart for 25 cents. And I just haven't got the time to put them away. And then what I do is after I wrap them around, I just roll it. So, like I said, I don't want them to get caught in the other greenery that I am putting them up in. This right here, I want to individually wrap them, but I don't think I will. I'll just do it together. And this is how everything is looking that I got to see a yellow out. We're downstairs. And there's some things that I need to put away. And this is on the another angle of the house. This is like going towards the garage. That's where I was. So this yellow vase and everything else, I need to put them up. I'm going to put them in the garage. One day I have to take you guys to give you like a full garage tour where I build storage up against the wall for my stuff. And the garage could still fit 2 cars. So I'm going to put, like I said, put all of them up, and I guess in the next video I will show you what I did. Now we are on my island and I am facing the family room. The garage is straight ahead, and this is what my decor looked like. I did black, white, and yellow. I'm showing you where the garage is. And this is over my island. And now we are back to the family room. As you see, all the yellows is gone. So the next time when you see this space again, I am going to take everything down. Like before I decorate for another season, I have to take everything down. I am opening up the windows. The windows are from like floor to ceiling, and what you see straight ahead, that's the outdoor, that's the deck, the top deck. It's 2 deck. This is the top one, and this is the open deck. To the other side is the closed-in patio. That's where I made that kitchen. And this is some of my storage for my decor pieces. And this is right here where I want to put the rest of the stuff. So guys, now that I put away just about everything, I am going to do a extreme clean with me. And as you see, I took everything and put them in the storage. And we have a clean slate that we can start our fall decoration. When you come back in the next video, I will take you to the former living room and the dining room on the opposite side. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Come back and see the cleaning. Bye-bye.